Well, hey there folks, we're coming to you from Cleveland Power and Performance at an above ground, above sea level elevation. Folks, I'm talking about we're coming to you from above the ground here. What do we have down there? I don't know, let me go down to the ground and find out. All right, what we have for you today, can you believe it? LS2 Corvette rolling chassis. I'm talking about this as a C6 by Chevrolet edition rolling chassis. That means engine, torque tube, transmission, differential, and all the other suspension components, electronics, and everything else you need to get this underneath your car and in your ride. This thing has a wheelbase of 105.7 inches. If your body that you want to put on top of this doesn't fit, don't fret. You can cut that torque tube, lengthen or shorten it to your desired specifications. And you know, with the super simple design of the Chevrolet by Corvette suspension, it's not too hard to get this to fit on a custom-made frame that you have concocted or constructed. This was dropped out of a 2005 with only 22,000 miles on it. If you want to make this Corvette chassis yours, give us a call here. Phone number is 866-236-5031. Gobbles America. Let's go. Let's get it done.